please use. Okay. Now again, I've got these config settings all up on the wiki, so let's go back there and grab them all and just use them. I throw them at the end of the file. So let's go back one here. And if we look here, where does it say? Oh, is it install for Apache? And I'm just grabbing this first bunch here. Else Apple C, Control V, and I think these file systems need to change, so let's just quickly check where this is actually getting installed. I think it goes under Oracle UCM. Yeah, there you go. So we just copy this out, Control C, and stick that in here instead of just the plain old Stellent. Control V, fix up the slashes. And let's copy this. Control C. Get rid of these guys. Control V. One more. Alright, that looks reasonable. Control S to save that. Let's kill it. We may need to restart this guy if we can. Restart. Okay, so how's the install going? So it's still tickety-boo going along here. Let's kill this. We don't need that. And it looks like it's finished. I don't know if it's launched the service or not. Yeah, I can't tell. So let's just try to see if we can see the thing. And let's go. Eventually my browser will open. And let's try 127.0.0.1/IDC. Okay, so it doesn't look like we're perfect yet. I think the service may not be running. I'm actually quite certain that it's not running. So let's go to the admin tools, services. Let's bring this over here because we may use it again. Come on, baby. I don't know if it's a good idea to reboot or anything like that, but let's try not to because it's a waste of time. So the admin server is started, but let's run the actual content server itself and see if that runs okay. Hopefully it does. And in the meantime, we can set up our SQL server to connect to that. So this is going to go to 63 as well. And let's test it. Oh, password. IDC. User, save password, test. That looks good. Override share. Why don't we just connect as well? Come on. What did I do wrong? 192.168.863. Can this one connect? Well, this one's connected. It's exactly the same thing. I'm not going to worry about it too much yet. Let's come back to that later. So let's refresh this one. And let's hit login. The default is sysadmin IDC, enter. And we know everything works now because if we can log in, we're all handy dandy. So let's try logging in from the outside world, or outside of this VM, and put in that 192.168.8.63/IDC. And I think it's going to be fine. Log in, sysadmin IDC. Let's remember that. So we're all handy dandy. It's all installed up and running fine. I mucked up something here. Let's see if I can figure it out. So IDC, maybe I got the password in wrong. Let me just try. IDC underscore user test. I don't know what the problem is. I guess it's not letting me connect to the database from the outside. 192.168. Really don't know what the deal is. IC user. What's the difference between these two? They look very similar. So the only difference is the username that's being connected. I don't know, and I guess I don't really care. So let's forget about it. And let's kill this screen